Well, we looked at a number of natural capital-based economic sectors, as we would call them, or resource sectors, including agriculture, forestry, fisheries, and water management. And what we found is that investing in those sectors in a way that ensures that natural capital is maintained and in some cases restored. There's a large amount of forest restoration or reforestation that we included in the scenarios, provides economic opportunities for, or increased economic opportunities for both employment and income generation into the future that can be sustained, while at the same time contributing to the production, sustainable production in other sectors. So, for example, the availability of clean drinking water is related to land management, both agriculture and forestry, but also has an effect on the costs for industrial production, as well as human health. And these are all aspects that we looked at to show that rather than continuing to drain down natural capital, it is possible to pursue a growth path where we're investing in natural capital as well as human capital and physical capital, but in a way that that integrates their values in production and consumption. So, in effect, in terms of sustainable development, what we've tried to look for and tried to propose with this report and analysis is a way of integrating the three pillars of sustainable development: the social, the economic, and the environmental, and shift the thinking away from one that has up until now talked largely about how do we balance the three pillars, and that which implies trade-offs. You can't have improvements in economic dimension without costs potentially in the environmental dimension, or also perhaps in the social dimension, if we look at trends towards increasing inequality, say, in developed countries. But with the green economy, we're saying there are opportunities. It requires upfront investment and it requires very ambitious policies, enabling conditions, as we call them in the report, but there are opportunities for growth paths that integrate the three dimensions.